My name is Timo Speck and I'm working for the company HECTOR and I'm studying management of product development here at the KIT.
I'm Ranjit and I'm coming from Chennai, and currently I'm doing management of product development from HECTOR School, which is from KIT.
Hi, I'm David and I work at Intel and I'm doing my master's in product development at the HECTOR School, part of the KIT. It's one of the biggest renowned universities in Germany in the technological areas. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I actually also live in the near, so that's also very helpful for me. And I work here in Karlsruhe, so it was like a perfect fit.
I just want to do masters in mechanical engineering, and I was looking for mechanical engineering in Germany, which is one of the big recognized country all over the world. School is one of the things that provides both engineering and management module. So I chose it will be beneficiary for me because I have a work experience of 4 years, so I thought it will be good.
I choose it because I live in Karlsruhe. I grown up here basically, and my company is here in Karlsruhe in Bruchsal. And yeah, I studied already mechanical engineering, and KIT is famous for engineering, so I also decided to do my master's here.
The content of the program, it's really pretty it's like wide. It really widens your perspective depending on what you're working on. So for me, that I've been already an experienced employee for the last 10 years, 15 years almost, so it was very good that I could get into areas that I was never part of.
Yes, I would recommend it because in Germany you either find it technical or managemental. You can't find both technical and managemental together in a particular course in all over Germany. But HECTOR School is providing both the technical and management thing, and it's very good. It's well organized, and the professors from both the modules were really good, and I learned a lot during this short period of time. But it helped me a lot in my work experiencing, so I would personally recommend it.
It's a lot of fun. There's great lectures, great professors. It's a pretty good program, well established. And regarding the HECTOR School and the KIT, this combination is very good. So you can forget about a little bit about the language. Everything is English based, which is for some of the programs pretty essential. So I would definitely recommend.
I would basically recommend to study here at KIT in combination with HECTOR School, because you get a broad scope of different lectures in topics of engineering and management, and yeah, this is very good for me.